Here's the scapula. The nerve goes like this and spreads out here. I'll show you the manuals later. So you take this nerve right here. You can see there's a photo of the scapula and the nerve on it. That is, we direct it specifically toward the acromion, making sure our movement is aimed at this bony prominence at the top of the shoulder. She's already starting to feel some relief. I'm just tuning into the nerve and working with it. Lie on your back slowly and relax. Now without this thing will go under your arm. So let me show you how to find where the nerve comes out. It's here. It reaches the clavicle, the acromion, and then gradually descends downward. And right here, along the scapula, you just carefully follow it with your finger. There's a little groove here, a small indentation, and where the groove ends, at the very corner, that's exactly where you'll feel it. This is the nerve. The one I showed you earlier, and in the manual. Now I'll do this massage and open up the manual for you so you can review it again You
will look at it at home.
No, you need to understand it now. It's very short. You really won't be able to work. And right in this particular spot, I work with a specific hold, meaning that I carefully pull up the nerve area from there. The shoulder is already starting to drop, and as a result, it's shifting this nerve. Does it hurt at all?
I can feel it, but there's no pain.
If it starts to cause pain, simply give a little bit of joy. How is it now? Is there any pain? No.
Still,
there's a little bit of tension left. Always work with a state of being, as this will help to take away nearly 90% of your physical labor or effort in your daily life. How is it there? Well,
that's exactly the spot.
And from here, we move to this area, which is known as the location where the brachial nerve plexus is found. We simply pull it gently towards the neck area as well, making sure to do so carefully. It's specifically the impact on this nerve that will remove all these blocks, which are quite serious here. So are you pressing with your finger, pulling it over?
I'm moving the nerve, pulling it back into place. And as it slowly settles into its final place, all these individual blocks are released. I'm not kneading them, I'm just working with the nerve. There, right there, just over there, and there too. It's already moving much better for her. How are you feeling there? It's stuck in my head.
Is there any pain here or not? Pain?
No, but I do feel that this spot is, sore. Well...
Let's do it one more time. Let's give you a little bit of joy. How does this frequency feel to you? How?
There's a rush to my head. It's like right here. Well,
But overall, how is it for your shoulder? Well,
it's calmer. My shoulder feels much more relaxed.
I gently raised you up just a little bit higher, slowly and carefully. Now let's go a little bit higher still, just a bit more. How are you feeling now?
It's actually easier.
Let's see how you're doing. Oh, it's gotten so much softer. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
Everything's gone away completely. And, well, you know, let me think for a moment. How about near the neck? And now I'm gently moving to the first rib. So we've freed it up. Now just move your arm around, see how it moves. Just don't knock over the camera behind you.
Yeah, it's easier. That feeling of butt isn't there anymore.